If you're wondering how to create custom time reports for clients, this video will give you a simple, step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll be able to build time reports that are tailored exactly to your client's needs. And trust me, it's easier than you might think. So, first, you'll want to start by selecting the right software. I've tried a lot of the popular options out there, but I'm going to show you the one that I recommend for creating custom time reports. It's user-friendly and has all the features you need without the unnecessary complexity. If you want to follow along, check the description below for an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel, Dan Thorne. Once you have the software set up, you'll want to create a new report. Most software gives you the option to start from scratch or choose a template, but here we're focusing on custom reports. Start by selecting your project or time entry data. This is the heart of your report. You'll need to pull in the correct data from the time tracking software to ensure that everything is accurate. Next, make sure you're customizing the date range. Whether you need a weekly, monthly, or custom date range, this is where you can select exactly what your client needs to see. This is important, especially if your client wants to track specific periods or milestones. You can set the range to match the scope of work they're reviewing or comparing against. Now, customize the categories and fields that are displayed in the report. Depending on what your client is looking for, you might want to include things like billable hours, non-billable hours, project descriptions, or specific tasks. With our software, you can easily create columns that highlight these categories, making it straightforward for your clients to review. You can also use the filters to include only certain types of data, like specific employees or certain projects. If your client only wants to see time entries from a specific team member, you can narrow it down to those hours and exclude others. This is a great way to keep things simple and relevant. Another key feature is the ability to adjust the format of the report. Whether you want to generate a PDF, Excel sheet, or even a CSV file, this software allows you to easily export the report in the format that works best for your client. This makes sharing the report simple, and they'll be able to review it offline if needed. And remember, when creating custom time reports for clients, clarity is key. Use clear headings, labels, and concise descriptions to ensure that everything is easy to understand at a glance. If you're including billable hours, you'll want to ensure that the client knows exactly what's being charged and for what tasks. One thing you can't forget is adding any necessary notes. If there were any issues, delays, or extra time spent on certain tasks, include that in the report. A simple note can add context and save you from having to answer follow-up questions later. So now you have a custom time report ready for your client, and you can feel confident that it's accurate, tailored, and professional. Make sure to review the report once more to ensure everything is correct, and make any last-minute adjustments before you send it off. Quick revision. Start with choosing the right software, set your date range, customize the data categories, apply any necessary filters, export the report, and add notes where needed. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the software we've been using, linked in the description below. It's a great tool to help you streamline your time reporting and give your clients exactly what they need. The key takeaway: custom time reports allow you to provide your clients with clear, organized data that is easy to understand and useful for tracking progress. Keep things clear, concise, and tailored to what they care about. Thanks for watching.